Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bacon and egg stuffed pancake donuts. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pancake mix of your choice, syrup, I'm using turkey bacon or you can use the bacon of your choice, and eggs. The first thing I'm going to do is spray my griddle with a non-stick cooking spray. And I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now all I'm going to do is fry our turkey bacon. Once your turkey bacon is done, all you want to do is cut it into small pieces and set it to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and scramble our eggs. And guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees now. Now you can go on and cook your eggs. After your eggs are done, all you want to do is put them in a bowl and set them to the side. Now for your pancake mix, just follow the instructions on the box. And all we're going to do is go ahead and mix until well combined. Okay, so now I'm going to spray my donut pan with some non-stick cooking spray. Now we're just going to pour some pancake batter in. Next, we're going to go ahead and take some of our egg and we're just going to put it around in the donut cups. Once you're done with that, we're going to take some of our bacon bits and we're going to do the same thing, just place it on top of the eggs. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and take our syrup and we're just going to drizzle a little bit on top. Now we're going to go back in with our pancake mix and we're just going to pour some over top. Okay guys, now you can place them in your oven for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Okay guys, so here we have it, our bacon and egg pancake donuts. So all I'm going to do now is drizzle some syrup over top. Look how delicious that looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.